You're late again. Your phone lights up. 5 missed calls. A calendar reminder you ignored. A mistake that would ruin someone else's week. Your stomach doesn't drop. Your hands don't shake. You don't panic. You sigh. Because somewhere in the back of your mind, you already know this isn't a disaster. It never is. You send one message. Hey, small problem. The reply comes back almost instantly. No problem. I'll handle it. And just like that, the crisis disappears. Morning light. Traffic below. This is normal. This has always been normal. You slip in late. Nobody cares. Assignment deadline on screen. You submit nothing. Your friends whisper about grades, loans, pressure. You scroll on your phone. Party scene. Music too loud. You laugh while others worry. A failed exam paper. Red marks. Email notification. Grade updated. You pass. No relief. No pride. Just emptiness. Graduation day. Caps in the air. Your parents clap. You don't feel like you earned anything. But you don't feel guilty either. That's worse. Office lobby. You're late again. Your manager glances at the clock, then away. Meeting room. You don't speak. Others do the work. Mistake on a report. Numbers wrong. Someone else stays late to fix it. Promotion email. No explanation. Colleagues stop inviting you out. They're polite, distant. At night, alone in your apartment, you stare at the ceiling. You have money, comfort, security, but no weight. Nothing depends on you. And then, one night changes everything. You're driving, music low, phone buzzing. A text comes in. You glance down, just for a second. Thud. The car jolts. You slam the brakes. Silence. Rain hits the windshield. Your breathing gets loud. You step out. A body on the road, not moving. Blood mixing with rain. Your hands shake for the first time in your life. A man across the street screams. Someone starts running toward you. Your mind blanks. You get back in the car. Drive. Red light. Green light. You don't remember the road. Back home. Door locked. You sit on the floor, clothes soaked. Your phone buzzes. News notification. Hit and run reported. You don't open it. You don't sleep. Morning light creeps in. Your hands are still shaking. You know what this is. This is the thing money can't fix. Or so you think. Early morning, a quiet street, an old STD booth. You step inside. Coins drop. You dial. It rings once. Dad answers. You whisper, "I messed up." Silence. Are you safe? Yes. Stay there. No questions. No shock. Just control. I'll take care of it. Click. The worst part wasn't what I did. It was realizing I never had to pay for it.